Okay guys, so we are going to be making fantasy style birds. Fantasy meaning it's coming from our imagination. So the only things that you must have is you should probably have a beak and some type of wings because we are doing a flying creature. But you can combine your bird, like you could make a bird slash cat, you can combine different animals. You can give it features that it might not normally have. That's up to you. You are the artist. You decide. So we're going to do some fantasy drawing. I'll make an example for you. Please don't turn in a bird that looks like my example. It's just to help you. You can get ideas from the how to draw videos from earlier in the lesson or from any of the different birds that they have featured on the Audubon for Kids that is earlier in the lesson. You could take different birds and combine pieces together to make a brand new bird. It's really up to you. I want you to be as creative as you possibly can and use that wonderful right side of your brain that you have been blessed with and create a really awesome bird for me. To complete this project, we are going to need a pencil, possibly with an eraser to draw with, a Sharpie marker or just a black marker to outline, and markers for color.